Hello guys, you all welcome to another episode of our beginner class. In our today class, we are going to be talking about trading session and market hours. Okay, so let's start with market hours. What is market hours, guys? Market hours is the time in which we can participate in the financial market. That is the time in which the market open and also the time in which the market close. Okay, so the exact opening and closing times of the foreign exchange market are always slightly shift due to daylight saving times. Okay, so in the example I'm going to give to you guys on the opening time and the closing time, so I'm going to use GMT, which is what Greenwich mean time, to explain to you guys. Okay, so you can convert it to your local time. Okay, so like for people in Nigeria, so the GMT is +1. People in South Africa, the GMT is +2. Ghana GMT is normal GMT. Okay, so we are going to look at example of it one after the other. Okay, so the market is always open on Sunday. Okay, so on Sunday market will open around 9 p.m. GMT. Okay, on Monday the forex market is always open 247. Tuesday market is always open 247. Wednesday the same thing 247. Thursday 247. Friday the same thing. Friday the market we close around 9 p.m. GMT. Okay, while on Saturday the forex market is always close. Okay, so the funniest part is this: the financial market is not closed 247. Sorry, it's not closed on weekend, as in during the weekend. So the transactions are still ongoing, but we, the retail trader, we only have access to the financial market from Monday to Friday, which is the normal business hours worldwide. Okay, so the broker only allow us to have access to the financial market from Monday to Friday. Okay, so like for example now, I made mention of that the financial market open around 9 p.m. So most of you would have kind of like, how on Sunday, why would the market be open on Sunday? So that 9 p.m. Sunday, it is what, 8 o'clock in Sydney. Okay, so that is why it is open 9 p.m. GMT. Okay, so like people in London now, they are using normal GMT, so it is going to be 9 p.m. there, in which people in Sydney is going to be 8 o'clock there. So that is why the financial market is open around 9 p.m. GMT on Sunday. Okay, so I made mention of financial market always close on Saturday and Sunday, and some of the time on Sunday. So for some broker that offer crypto trading, they always allow the retail trader to have access to the financial market even on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so only for crypto trading. Okay, like some broker like XNET, they do allow traders to trade crypto trading around Saturday and Sunday, but the forex market is always closed around 9 p.m. GMT Friday. Okay, so now let's move to trading session, guys. So what is trading session? If you can still recall, I made mention above that the financial market opened 247 Monday to Friday, so worldwide. Okay, so different countries have different time in which they participate in the financial markets. Okay, so that is what we call trading session. Okay, so now that we made mention of that market always open 247, it's not that maybe you are going to be trading like all the whole session like that. Okay, so you have to choose the session that suits you and also the one that suits your country. Okay, so that you can also have access to the financial market. Okay, so we break down the session into 4 different major session. Okay, so we have 4 major session in the financial market. Okay, so the number 1 session that we have is known as the London session. Okay, so London session always open 8 a.m. GMT to 4 p.m. GMT. Okay, so your New York session, which is the United States, is always open 1 p.m. GMT to 9 p.m. GMT. Okay, while your Sydney session always open around 10 p.m. GMT to 5 a.m. GMT. Okay, while your Asian session, which is the Tokyo, always open around 12 a.m. GMT till 8 a.m. GMT. Okay, so if you can see from the example I gave you guys above, you can see from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. the London and New York overlap. Okay, the London and New York overlap. That is, London session is on that time, and also the United session is also on, which is the New York session is also on that time. So around this period, there's always volatility in the market, okay, because of what they are in the banks of the two sessions that are ongoing that time, okay. So transaction is ongoing, and also the corporation, the institution, the brokers, the retail traders from the two different countries, and also countries that are using their session also. So they are trading that period, okay. So if you are trading that period, there's always enough volatility in the financial market, okay. So that is for that, guys. Now there's always some time that you see less volatility in the market, which is a very low volatility, and I will advise you not to trade that time until when you see high volatility in the market before you trade, okay. Number one, what can make you to see a low volatility in the market is whenever there is a bank holiday, okay. So like the general bank holiday, so there will always be a low volatility in the market. Like now, if US bank is on holiday, you always see a low volatility in all US currency pairs like USD CAD, GBP USD, USD CHF. You see low volatility in them. And also, if Bank of England is on holiday, you always see you always see less volatility in all pounds pairs, okay. So another way that you can see a low volatility in the market is whenever market just open, okay. So when market just open, you see a low volatility in the market until when all the whole session is ongoing, okay, or when the major session is ongoing before you see high volatility in the market, okay. So, and also another way that you can also see a low volatility in the market is whenever the market is closed, okay, or whenever the market is about to close rather, okay. So like on Friday evening, let's assume around 6 p.m. GMT or 7 p.m. GMT, you always see a low volatility in the market till 9 p.m. GMT, okay, because of what market is about to close that period. So a lot of investors have already closed their position even since on Thursday, so they already closed their position, okay. Likewise, that market open that I told you, so most investors, they wait till Monday. Some of them, they will even wait till Tuesday to see the real direction of the market before they will enter into the market or jump into the market, okay. So the major volatility that you can also that you can always see in the market is from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, okay. So that is for that, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. So try as much as possible to subscribe to our YouTube channel, smash the like button, and share this video to as many people that need to watch this, okay. Thank you very much. Peace.